Ever looked at an empty 3 by 4 meter room and thought, this could be a masterpiece or a storage nightmare? Well, today we're turning this blank space into a stunning, functional bedroom in just 50 seconds. Step 1. Cool air incoming. AC vents installed so you don't melt in the summer. Long, elegant curtains? Boom! Instant luxury. Step 2. Behind it? Secret storage, because clutter belongs anywhere but here. Bonus. Overhead cabinets for those mystery blankets you never use but refuse to throw away. The bed soft as a cloud with a cushioned headboard because no one likes headbutting the wall at 2 a.m. Step 3. A step storage, because why should steps only take you places when they can also hide your mess? Step 4. A sleek study table because productivity is the goal, right? Wooden top equals aesthetic plus motivation. Overhead storage for books. Open shelf for potted plants, because fake or real, they make you look like you have your life together. Oh, and a blackboard to pretend you have your life planned out. Sofa, carpet, and a cozy corner to chill after a productive study session. Final touches. Floor lamp for that moody, cinematic vibe, and potted plants for a fresh, earthy feel. Mission complete. From empty space to aesthetic Pinterest-level bedroom in no time. Would you sleep here? Let me know in the comments. Tag a friend who needs a bedroom glow-up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more insane transformations.